Welcome, in front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint. So to solve this problem, let's set up a new fingerprint. To do that, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then select Device Unlocking, go to Fingerprint, confirm with your pattern, and before we start adding a new fingerprint to your device, let's wipe the surface of the screen, especially the place where the fingerprint scanner is located, in order to make it more smooth and make sure that it reads our fingerprint clearly. So once you're ready, select start enrollment and agree, and then start placing your fingerprint finger on the fingerprint scanner right here. Proceed until it's done. Add the corners. And then press done. And before we proceed, let's go back to settings, scroll to the very bottom, select system update, check if your device has any updates pending, and then if you have some updates available for your device, then take your time and install the required updates. To do that, just click restart now and wait until the update is complete. And once your phone is restarted and all the settings applied, let's try and unlock our device using the new fingerprint. So place your finger right here, and as you can see, everything went smoothly, at least for me, and I hope that it did for you too. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.